Hey y'all, got some kelp? Make this fertilizer in 30 minutes. So take 25 grams of dried kelp, soak in enough warm water until fully saturated. Add 1.5 liters of distilled water. Bring to a boil and let boil for 30 to 40 minutes. Seaweed, also known as kelp, contains what is known as the classical 5 plant growth hormones, which include auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, ethylene, abscisic acid. Auxins are responsible for plant stem elongation, cell growth and division, root initiation, and bud and flower growth. Gibberellins are plant growth regulators that facilitate cell elongation, helps the plant grow taller, promotes seed germination, plant stem elongation, fruit ripening, and also the flowering process. Next we have cytokinins, which its main task is to stimulate cell division. It also plays a very important role in plant resistance to stress. Ethylene promotes seed germination, root growth, and development, which both are needed for the biosynthesis of auxins. Abscisic acid. This amino acid induces seed dormancy to help plants overcome stress conditions. It inhibits growth by working against the excessive activities of growth-promoting hormones such as auxins, cytokinins, and gibberellins. So there it is. You might want to try this fertilizer. When it comes to organic plant growth hormones and nutrients, and kelp is in a category by itself. Once the extract is finished, strain it and let cool off. Use 10 milliliters to 1 liter of water for best results. At Shivas Grow Garden, we concentrate our efforts on using plant nutrients like the ones I already mentioned that contain high amounts of growth hormones and amino acids. We concentrate our efforts on plants that contain all 9 essential amino acids, auxin, cytokinins, gibberellins, and proteins instead of NPK. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up please, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Ciao bello.